Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama. Well, today I will show you how I do my morning routine with Mary Kay anti-aging skincare. My skincare regimen started from the Skin Analysis Online by Mary Kay. First, we remove makeup and then we cleanse. We use LumiVie foaming cleanser. What I noticed with this is it has a very good scent and it really feels so nice on the skin. It's satiny, it's smooth, it's very soft. I love the feeling of it feeling so gentle on my skin. So foam, and then rinse thoroughly and then wipe clean. So you're ready for the next layer. My next layer is the microdermabrasion set. I love this because I can do this at home. I don't have to have a facial, and it's very gentle again on your skin because it's very light. It doesn't scar you when you go to the facial. It hurts so much, but this one is very gentle. The advice is to use it twice a week. After cleansing the skin and using LumiVie foaming cleanser, then I use the microdermabrasion set. To use the first step, which is refine in the microdermabrasion set, the face should be wet after rinsing, after cleansing with LumiVie, and put some on wet face using fingertips and using circular motions. Gently massage face with fingertips for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly with warm water and then pat dry. The next step is to use the time-wise pore minimizer, which is something that I really need. Aside from minimizing the sizes of the pores in your skin, it also reduces the appearance of redness and soothes delicate skin. This is the new step 2 in the time-wise microdermabrasion plus set. It seems like I'm not being very gentle on my skin, but I really am. It's just that I'm making the speed go faster so that this video will not take so long. To review, we use the LumiVie foaming cleanser, and then we use the microdermabrasion set, which we will do twice a week. And then after you use the refine, you have to wash your face with warm water and rinse it, and then you use the next one, which is the pore minimizer. After the exfoliation step using the microdermabrasion, I skipped the toner part, so I'm now going into the anti-aging lifting serum. The claims and benefits of the anti-aging lifting serum is very impressive. 100% had a visible lift of sagging skin along the cheeks and jawline. 98% had visibly lifted skin overall. 82% had improved skin firmness. 98% had visibly reduced deep lines and wrinkles. 78% had enhanced skin elasticity, and 100% had immediate increase in skin moisture. This lifting serum should help you reclaim your triangle of youth. Every day your skin suffers from stress, so we fight this back with an antioxidant mega boost, a powerful vitamin C and vitamin E facial serum. The highly potent antioxidant vitamin E teams up with pure vitamin C in an age-defying duo that's better together. Two additional sources of vitamin C deliver even more potency. Add this benefit-packed serum to your daily routine to see skin that's brighter, firmer, and glowing with good health. That's how they describe what the replenishing serum C plus E will do to an aging skin. So we go to the moisturize part, and of course with SPF. Now this time-wise repair Voluform day cream with SPF 30 is formulated to help protect against future damage and to help existing damage to be less noticeable. It restores the skin's youthful cushion. It's formulated to help minimize skin reaction to external irritants. The skin tone appears more even, helps protect against skin aging, UVA and UVB damage. It increases skin moisture for 12 hours. So this is really perfect as a day cream. The layer that comes after the serum. Okay, let's review. Number 1 is to cleanse with LumiVie foaming cleanser. Then number 2 is to use the microdermabrasion set, the refine and the pore minimizer, but that's only twice a week and only in the morning. After exfoliating, we use the anti-aging lifting serum and then the replenishing serum C plus E, and then this repair Voluform day cream with SPF 30. This time-wise repair Voluform eye renewal cream is a most important product for me because I have kidney stones and I think my eye bags are really getting bigger by the day, so I need this advanced peptide eye cream that targets visible deep lines, dark circles, bags, and upper eyelid droop. Di ba parang bumabagsak ang ating mata na? So this under eye cream increases skin moisture for 12 hours and targets dry skin. It's being inflamed. A sculpted metal applicator tip massages the skin also, helps to stimulate the under eye area. For a plantita Lola like me, I need this product, this sunscreen protection, the Sheer UV Defense Milk SPF 50, which is a good number. It is water resistant, it has a two-way protection, it is a physical sunscreen with titanium dioxide plus a chemical sunscreen. Its gentle formula is tested and it's suitable for sensitive skin and gentle enough for the face. Apply the right amount, about half a teaspoon to your face and neck, then a teaspoon for each arm, each leg, the torso, and the back for 20 to 30 minutes before sun exposure to allow the sunscreen to form a protective film. So you have to reapply this every 1 to 2 hours, especially if you're outdoors swimming or sweating, or maybe even just gardening. And Take note that UV index is highest from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So refrain from being under the sun during those times. So I am now ready to conquer my weakness, which is my forsaken face. And so to present my face for a zoom mask, I'd like to use this mineral powder foundation. I love using this mineral powder foundation as a basic daily wear because I can control how thin or thick the layering would be, and it's just to remove a little bit of the shine that comes from all the moisturizers that I have put on my face. It is also an additional layer of protection. I have been so bad to myself because I haven't been taking care of my skin. So I am really feeling very happy now that once more I am focusing on trying to regain a better looking skin. For Zoom, the makeup is just powder and a little bit of lipstick that will really push the face to a higher level in presenting yourself in Zoom, I think. I am really grateful to a dear friend, Miss Marissa Magtoto, for reminding me to have this regimen in the morning and at night so that I can be a little better looking. Oops, that's just a habit of mine. I just use my lipstick as a little perk up color on the cheeks. I have just cut my own hair, do it yourself. There's a tutorial that I made on that. If you want to find out how I did it myself, from being long below my shoulder to a bob cut, I'll put the link down below. It's such a lovely feeling to be protected, stay at home, and yet make yourself looking better and loving yourself. It's a very nice way of pampering. Thank you, Lord. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like my video and please share it with your friends. Travels, gardens, ikinobo, ikibana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.